one of the main demonstrators for Freeform. I travel a lot seeing customers doing lots of demonstrations. It's really good to see old customers again, people I've done demos for, ask them how they're getting on, answer any questions, or if I can't answer, we have experts on hand as well to help out with it, so that's been really enjoyable. But also meeting loads of potential new customers as well, because every new customer has a different idea, particularly on the Nano laser engraver. My favourite part about the first 2 days is just how busy we've been. So whether it's been doing demos on the engraver or the welders, it's just been quite intense but really enjoyable. Attending an event like this is really beneficial because you know we're going to be here. There's no messing around trying to organise a day where you want to come and see us. You know we're here, you get to try the machine that you want to try, and you've got experts on hand to help guide you with them as well.